Hello, thank you for purchasing Kashkow and welcome to Kashkow Training Guide. In this training guide, I'm going to show you how to create push button sites using Kashkow and generate thousands of dollars from it every single month. So let's get started. Now remember, you need to create your account. So once you create your account, you head over to Kashkow login page and log in with your details. Once you log in, you'll be redirected to the Kashkow dashboard, as you can see. And as a new user, your site will be empty because you've not created any sites. So the first thing you need to do is to go to create sites. But before doing that, I want to show you the menu. Now on the dashboard, we have the sites. This is where all your site appears. All the sites created appears here, as you can see. And we have the edit button if you want to edit the site. We have the site settings if you click here, and we have the duplicate if you want to make a copy, you want to clone a site, and we have the delete button in case you want to delete the site. So you can also search for the name of your site in case you have tons of websites on this page. So you can use the search bar to search for your website name, and you can also sort your website according to the date created, as you can see. So then I'll move to the next menu, which is images. All the images on your website are being stored here. And not just that alone, you also have access to over 10 million stock images with our free stock photos. Like you can just make a search and you're going to get tons of images, as you can see. So you see tons of images that you can just add to your image library here. And you can upload manually from your computer as well, as you can see. So the next thing is the training section. This is where you have access to all the videos on how to use Kashkow. The next thing we're going to talk about is the traffic, which we are going to teach you how to use the traffic system in the next video as well. Then we have the support. The support menu takes you to our support desk where you can ask questions in case you have any difficulty using Kashkow software. Then we have the product and swipes, which contains the done for you products and email swipes that you can use to promote your Kashkow push button sites. And the last one is the integration, which is actually where we're going to get started. Integration is where you can actually connect your autoresponders or webinar sites to your Kashkow website. Now, Kashkow is a lead page builder site, so it allows you to grab leads. So in order to store those leads, you need to integrate your autoresponder. Although we have other options that allow you to as well collect leads without using autoresponder, which I'm going to talk about later. So in case you want to integrate any of the autoresponder or the webinar app, all you have to do is just to click on configure integration. As you can see, if I want to integrate MailChimp, you enter your email and you enter your API key. As you can see, I've already integrated my get response with my login email and my API key. It's as simple as that, and then you click on save integration once you're done. So once that is done, we'll go back to sites. Once you get to site, then you click on create new site. So once you click on create new site, then you're going to see this pop-up. Now this pop-up is going to show you the done for you templates that comes with different upgrades. Now for the front end buyers, you're going to have access to 5 done for you sites, 5 done for you push button sites, and you can use any one of them to start making money because they come with their own done for you products and done for you email swipes. So if you purchase the platinum, you get extra 5 done for you push button sites, making a total of 10. And if you purchase the done for you upgrade, you have access to extra 20 done for you sites, as you can see. So all you have to do is just to pick one and start building your site. So I'm going to go with the FE and then select the first one. Once I select the first one, then like I said, they all come with done for you products. So as you can see, there's template 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you go to your product and swipes pages, you're going to see, you can see template 1 product, the product to promote, the affiliate link, and the email swipes. The same thing for all other products as well. So you can see all the products are here, including the one for done for you members. You can see everything here. You can see done for you members template starts from here. So now once you select the push button site, you click on it and then you scroll down and click on launch builder. So it brings you to the page builder. Now this is Kashkow page builder, and from templates again, you can see you can select all the templates, and if you want to add new templates, then you have to delete this first template that is selected by coming to this place and click on delete. Can you see? Click on delete, then it's going to delete it. Then you can come to this place, you can drag another template there. You see that? So that is how to actually change template. Also then we have blocks. As you can see, blocks, you can add different blocks. Maybe you want to add a countdown timer. As you can see, you want to add an embed. Maybe you want to embed a code. You want to add features. Maybe you want to build a long page, lead page. So let's say the filters, you want to add filters to your sites. We have maps. As you can see, we have opt-in pages where you can pick pages that you want to build and edit from scratch if you don't want to use any of our done for you sites. So we have a lot of blocks that you can use. As you can see, testimonials, titles, slideshows, and on and on. All you have to do is just to drag and drop wherever you want to put them. So I'm also going to talk about the components. You can see the grids, the headline. The grids is there. You can see in case you want to divide your page into 2 or 3, you make use of any of this. Also we have the headlines. As you can see, you can insert headlines. We have buttons, you want to insert buttons. We have medias, you want to insert images, videos, so you can do that there, and on like that. Then we have pages. You can decide to create a lead page and a thank you page. If you want to add another page, just click on add new page, and as you can see, another canvas will open which you can now import the templates. So I'm just going to delete this, delete page. Then the last one, we have the pop-up. This is actually for commission boosters, so it's not available for all users. So this is for commission boosters user. So you can import a pop-up, and once you import the pop-up, you'll be able to edit it, as you can see. So you can edit the text on the pop-up, you can do a lot of things with it. So I'm going to go back to the page builder. So I'm going to go back to the page builder, and so the next thing I want to do now is, if you want to edit the content on your site, just click on the text. As you can see, if you click on this, that you hover on the text first, or any of the elements you want to edit. If it's text, you click on the text button, and then you can edit the text. You can see you can make it bold, you can put it on italics, you can underline it, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the color, whichever way you want to do it. So I'm just going to take it back to default and leave it like that, so you can see. So if you want to change the background image, you can come to this just over here. As you can see, click on the settings. You click on it, it's going to bring the option. You can see the background color, the background overlay, or you can use the background image. If you click on this option, it's going to pop out this. So you can decide to import image from your system. As you can see, you can just upload any of the image, or make use of our free stock photos and search for a particular image. You can see, you click on any of the image you want to use and you add to image, and it will start uploading to my images. So now that is how to customize our site. Now if we want to get our leads, where we want to store the leads that we collect on our opt-in page, all you have to do is to over to the form. And remember, don't just over to a particular element here. If you click on this, it's going to show only settings for this email field. You don't want to do that. So ensure that once you over your mouse on this form, it captures the whole opt-in form. So I'm just going to show you how that is done. You can see the green lines is surrounding the whole opt-in form. So that's how you are sure that you are trying to edit the opt-in form. So you click on the settings here. So click on the settings, you see the form option. And as you can see, you need to input your success URL. Your success URL is a page that you'll be redirected to after your visitors input their name and email. So the success URL will be your affiliate link. And how do you get that? Go back to your page, go to product and swipe. Since you're promoting the second product, which is this, we're using template 2, this. So I'm going to click here to get my affiliate link. So I'm going to click that. Now, this product is being launched on Warrior Plus. So it means you must sign up on Warrior Plus before you can get your affiliate link. And once you are taken to this page, there will be a button here that shows request approval. So once you request approval, after you've been approved instantly, you'll be able to see your affiliate links. So I'm going to copy my own affiliate link and then go back to my page builder and paste my success URL. One thing you need to note is to ensure that you did not include this HTTPS. Your website should start with www. As you can see. So you leave it at that. Now, how do you store your leads? There are different ways in which you can store your leads using Kashkow. You can email the data to a particular email address. So you input your email address here, and then you can input your custom confirmation message. This message will appear after a successful sign up. So this should also include your affiliate link so that user can click on it and they'll be redirected to your affiliate link and you can get commissions from sales. So another one is custom option. Custom action using maybe scripts. Maybe you want to add a script here, then you can add it here. Then the third one is API integration, which is what I show you at the beginning of this tutorial, where you can actually integrate different autoresponders and webinar apps. So depending on the one that you integrated, then all you have to do is just to select the one you integrated. In my case, I integrated GetResponse. So I'll select GetResponse and then I'll select the list where I want to save my leads. So once I do that, then I can click on Apply Changes and it will save. Now let's say I want to go with the last option. This is for people that doesn't have any of the integrated autoresponders company or the webinar apps. So if your autoresponder or your webinar apps is not there, then you can actually paste your HTML form code here and click on Apply Changes. So your form will be parsed along with the form here, so that when users sign up, they are still being sent, the data is still being sent to your autoresponder. So once I'm done, I'm just going to click on Apply Changes. And that is how to save your form settings. Now remember, you can change the text, you can change the color. You can see that you want to change the text, you can change the color here. You want to change the text, you can change the text from get started to whatever you want to use. So once we are done, we have to save our site. So you click on the Save Now button. You can see the site has been saved. So we can decide to preview our site. If you click on the preview button, it's going to preview our site to see how our site will look like. So you can see this is good. So the next thing is to close this and then publish our sites. Come to this place, click on Site Settings, give your site a name, Profit Max. Then if you want to put favicon, you can do that, or just come to this place and there are two options. You can either publish your site on your own custom domain. To do this, you need to register your own domain with any registrar of your choice, Once you do that, put in the domain name here without including the www dots. Then add a record on your DNS. I mean, with your registrar, create a record and point to this server. So once you point to this server, between 24 to 72 hours, your site will be accessible on your domain. Another option is to use our free subdomain. So all you have to do is just to give your site a name. So I'm going to do that. Once you're done, you click on the save settings. Once you click on save settings, you can see it has been saved. So just scroll down to see your link. Click on it. As you can see, our site is ready, looking beautiful. So let's test to see if this is going to work out fine. Okay, and click on get started now. You can see it redirects to our affiliate page automatically, and any visitors that purchase this product, you're going to get commissions into your Warrior Plus account. If the product is from ClickBank, you have to sign up with ClickBank and you get commissions into your ClickBank. If it's from JVZoo, you sign up with JVZoo and you get commissions into your JVZoo account. So that is actually how to publish our site. As you can see, it's very simple to use and very straightforward. So once you're done creating your site, you can just go to exit the builder. So click on exit the builder. It brings you back to where you have the list of your sites. You can see this is the last site we just created. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.